So now we're going to have a little fun because you've learned the basics. We're going to do something magical called a full turn. It's a little bit scary, but once you master it, it really looks pretty cool. So this is what happens when you do a full turn. You walk down the runway. Nikki's going to demonstrate. What happens is you walk. We're going to do it halfway down the runway. Put one foot in front of the other, just like a pivot. Then you're going to rise up on your toes, but instead of stopping halfway, you go all the way across, and then you proceed with the front foot. Now, Nikki did that nice and slow for us, but because she's an expert, on the way back, she's going to do it in the right cadence. So what happens? Regular walk, beautiful walk, great arms, great stance, and there it is. Wow. It's really important when you do a full turn that your balance is very good and stays center. Otherwise, you'll topple over, and that's not good for a runway model.